And once an owner-operator has clicked your company's link, your fully interactive page displays like this. All cabin supplier pages are laid out the same, offering a crisp, uncluttered first look at your company. And you control the content, beginning with your logo, your banner image here, and any other vitals you care to include on the main page. And remember, your company page is fully interactive, affording a host of subpage links that offer your potential customers a look at everything from your facility, the aircraft you service, a roster of completed projects, and anything else you care to share. And it's all accomplished easily and quickly from your member dashboard. Visit the Pre-Launch Placeholder tab today and sign up. It's completely free until June, and one of our representatives will call you in a few weeks to help in setting up your page. Welcome to Completion Registry. We park customers on your doorstep.